At number 1, we have the MFI Certified Lightning Cable. This MFI Certified Lightning Cable guarantees safe and fast charging without warning messages. Enjoy efficient charging and data transfer thanks to its high-quality copper wire design. Built for durability, it features a reinforced connector tested to withstand over 15,000 bends. Perfect for daily use and long-term reliability. Compatible with iPhone 14, 13, 12, the 11, and older models, offering broad compatibility. Comes with a 12-month warranty and responsive support. What we like: safe, fast charging, strong build quality, and long lifespan. A reliable everyday cable. People say the cable offers great flexibility and solid build quality. Charging is fast and consistent, comparable to the original app cable.
At number 2, we have the MFI iPhone Charger Lightning Cable. This MFI certified cable ensures safe and stable charging for your iPhone. It features aluminum alloy connectors and a tinned copper core, supporting 2.48 current and stable data transmission while preventing overheating. Built with reinforced stress points and a lifespan of over 10,000 bends, it's highly durable. What we like: strong build and long lifespan. It's compatible with multiple iOS versions and a wide range of Apple devices. The 10F length provides excellent flexibility and convenience. What people say? The 10F length is perfect for charging across the room. The cable is sleek, modern, and delivers fast charging performance. At number 3, we have the Durcord iPhone Charger 3-Pack. This charger features an upgraded 8-pin design for enhanced signal quality, blazing fast 2.4A charging, and 480 Mbps data transfer. The cable includes a reinforced SR joint design and has passed over 25,000 bend tests, ensuring extra durability. It's tough enough for any environment. Plus, the anti-slip connector design makes plugging and unplugging easier than ever. It is compatible with a wide range of iPhones, iPads, and iPods, making it a versatile charging solution. Enjoy 365-day worry-free service and responsive support. It's the perfect, durable solution for users with multiple devices.
At number 4, we have the Anker Powerline Plus 2 Lightning Cable. This cable is built to last, tested to withstand up to 30,000 bends. It is MFI certified, ensuring a safe, seamless charging experience. The cable features a double-braided nylon exterior that is both stylish and durable, a perfect combination of design and strength. This is the Anker Advantage, trusted by over 80 million users worldwide. Join the community and experience the difference. At number 5, we have the Anker Powerline 2 Lightning Cable. This cable is built to last. It's 12x more durable than other cables and can withstand over 12,000 bends. It's extremely reinforced with a double-braided exterior and aramid fiber core protecting it from wear and tear. The superior connector is rust-proof and durable, so you can rely on it for years to come. With MFI certification, it ensures your Apple devices charge safely and at their fastest possible speed. We're so confident in its performance that it comes with a lifetime warranty. Get your Anker Powerline 2 today